dear brothers and sisters, I present before you Matthew chapter 19, verse 24. And I tell you, it is easier for a camel to enter through the eye of a needle than a rich person to enter the kingdom of God. This is a hard saying. We may think, in that case, no rich person will enter the kingdom of God. Did Jesus mean that? There are rich people, there are poor people among us. Did Jesus really mean that no rich person will enter the kingdom of God? When we read the Bible, we understand that Jesus did not mean any of the rich person will not enter the kingdom of God. In the Gospel of St. Luke, chapter 19, we find a person called Zacchaeus. He was very rich. He was a tax collector. But when this man meets Jesus, when he was ready to share his wealth with others, Jesus said, salvation has come to this family. So the rich people can enter the kingdom of God when they are able to enter the kingdom of God, when they are ready to share their wealth with others. So Jesus means by a rich man means a person who is selfish. A selfish rich man will not enter the kingdom of God. A rich man who is ready to share his wealth with others, with the poor people, they will certainly enter the kingdom of God. There is a small story. In that story, a poor man is coming to the presence of God and he is complaining to God. God, I am so poor. I don't have anything. There are many people around me. They are very rich. They enjoy their life. Why I am so poor? God said in reply, you are poor because you don't share anything with others. Then this man was surprised. He said, God, I am poor. How can I share my things with others? I don't have anything. Then God said to him, materially, you may be poor, but you have many things as wealth. You have your good health, you have time, you have good words to share with others, you have smile to give others. You can share these things. When you share these things with others, they will appreciate. They may call you for a job. They may make you partners of their business. That way, you will materially become rich. Richness has meaning only when you share your wealth with others. If you don't share your wealth with others, you are rich, but you will not enter the kingdom of God. My dear brothers and sisters, let us look into ourselves and see whether we are ready to share our wealth with others. Wealth in all sense, not only material wealth, but wealth in the full sense. Are we ready to share our wealth with others? Jesus is asking to share whatever we have with the needy. Let us begin this day with this reflection. May God bless you.